วัสดีค่ะยังสวัสดีจ้าเดี๋ยวส่งนะดูนะสวัสดีค่ะเฮียสวัสดีค่ะนะโฟนสวัสดีค่ะกันเฮียมามาน้องมานะเดี๋ยวไปเห็นสวัสดีค่ะเฮ้ยเดซักพูด in that way นี่สั่งน้ำทะเลกันวะจ้าหัวสีเดี๋ยวดิ
There we go
อ๋อแล้วนะแฮปปี้มันจะมารีแลกกันได้เลยลักกี้ไก่ have a two girl here อุดมเลยนะ love you guys
Love you too
oh you have a lipstick love you guys you kiss daddy already oh one my head is very shaped right like a diamond shaped right like a diamond woo woo woo
Beautiful beach, Capitan Beach. We're 2 hours from home. 2 hours only.
but go back
Like going from our house to San Diego. Well, this is nice.
I don't know how she gonna
What's she
fit.
gonna fish? Rocks?
I know because the water gonna bring it, the hood got stuck with everything.
Hey, we laugh now, but we shouldn't laugh. She's probably gonna pull a big fish up there. I want to see how she's gonna do it.
So she happy,
And this
huh?
little girl, she got her shoes wet.
Okay.
Her shoes.
Okay.
She's going in the water. There she goes.
Say hi.
There she goes.
Hi. Look, have people fishing there.
I'm gonna do it
Up
next
there,
time.
look, up there. Some people coming a lot of fishing.
Oh,
Next time.
and then
ฝรั่งเก็บเอาเบ็ดมา
she got the little thing on here to put the rod in the sand.
Look at her husband. Go pick the big one. He go pick a big shell. ผัวกับเมียคุณนั่นแบบได้แต่อันนี้ไงคุณน่ะ They happy now.
Chinese people smart watch. She can pull big fish.
Korea, they're not Korea.
Okay.
You give mommy
How you
jup
say
already?
Kamsahamnida.
Give daddy jup too? Aww. We miss กอง so much. คิดถึงพี่กองจังเลย Say yes, miss brother so much. You miss your son, honey?
We'll bring her here. Don't worry, Kong. Well, you'll be here soon.
I love you. I love you, Mama Chica. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Bravo.
8, 9, 10.
My baby can count to 5. That's it. Mama say, maybe Mama say, don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to
Bye.
subscribe.
Mama say it. Subscribe. Yeah.
Subscribe.
All right.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Stop.
Bye-bye. I don't think we got it.
มาพระตีลังกา No.
Try again.
No.
Wait,
One.
Honey, how come you don't make it noodle on here?
I don't know. You gotta go get the shell out again. Put right here. Yeah, you stand right there. Don't put too high. Don't make it big. Yeah, don't put too high to the ball that way. Huh? ก็ได้เอาเสียผ้ามาเปลี่ยนสแม่หนูอะนะจ๊ะพ่อลูกมีความสุขไร น้องนะมีความสุขไรไปแล้วเห็นแม่ไทยเรียนมาแล้วไอ้ be careful มาแม่เล่นมาอย่างเดียวเล่นมาขึ้นขี้หลังแม่Hey, cup, sleeping. Close your eyes. Yeah, monster coming.
No monster daddy.
Hello. It's Halloween. Hello. It's Halloween. Ah. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Daddy sleeping.
You can take it in?
Yes. Don't touch my earring.
Oh, this is so good.
Look at it.
This is like a vacation.
Yeah. Aww. Did you Daddy already?
Mm-hmm. All the time.
Oh, what about mommy?
My little turtle.
Oh,
My little turtle.
you're so pretty. How you feel, Daddy?
I feel good.
It's what you dream for, right?
Mm-hmm.
Family vacation.
Yeah, mini vacation. One day.
Need to wait for our son. Now we gotta go everywhere.
Go camping.
Yeah, go camping. ที่เราลูกซ้ายนะจ๊ะเนาะ
I'm gonna come back here again.
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh, don't mess up my hair.
Daddy little girl, don't touch daddy hair.
Take a long time to fix.
Daddy hair have gel, mama.
Look at that black stuff that gets on your foot. The tar.
Oh.
This is the stuff that sticks. See?
Okay, don't touch it.
Sticky.
No, Nami, she have her bed, her own bed. No, Nami ความสุขนะจ๊ะเนาะ Next time we bring a blanket and then a pillow.
Bring the little tent.
Yeah, sleeping here.
I was almost gonna bring the tent, but I was thinking we were gonna have bad weather, so we were gonna just
I know.
come
บ่
and
รู้
go.
ว่าบรรยากาศมันสิดีปะนี่เนาะ คิดว่ามันสิหนาวคือรอบที่แล้ว
But the
จำได้บ่รอบที่แล้ว โอ้ลมแห้ง is big wind
so
last time.
perfect. Today is so perfect. No
Today is
wind,
perfect เลยจ้ะ
sunny, low tide,
And
people playing in the beach.
why funny so much? Why so funny?
It's so fun.
It's fun, huh? Not funny, but fun.
She said so funny, it's fun. Oh, you want to sleep too? Sleeping, mama. Hug mommy, hug daddy. You want to be on top daddy only.
Okay.
What?
Nothing. Just happy. Thank you for bringing me to pick a shell, Papa.
You're welcome, Mama. Yeah, no problem.
บอกฝรั่งขอบใจหลายพาฉันมาเก็บบักหอยฉันมีความสุขแล้วจะเนาะมากแบบนี้อ๋อ
Need to leave something for other people.
Nobody eat it Nobody eat it นะจะเนาะบ่มีไฟกิน Too bad I don't bring any extra cook
This time I want you to grill them. I think grill and dip in sauce better than the egg. I didn't like the egg too much. You know what I mean?
No because I supposed to make sauce with it You're supposed to eat with sauce
I know, but I want to, like we do before, grill it.
I can make kapow also too
Just grill
Cut
and
the
put it
little part.
in your special sauce. It's good enough for it.
โอเคญาติผมพังพ่อผมจะไปตัดผมมาไหม
You little
มามี่
little mouse.
เทียบมาสัตว์เอ้ยมาสัตว์มาสัตว์เฮียนี่ได้บาทเลยพูดนะโอ้ได้มามีได้โอ้มาสัตว์รู้นะชื่อจิโก้
Massage.
Daddy massage she speak very clear Daddy massage Daddy say Daddy massage please say Daddy massage me please Jigo Hi Daddy why you sit on the baby chair
Because I don't want to sit on the sand.
You gonna break her chair Daddy
It's strong.
I know it's strong I like it it's very comfortable Luna Daddy sit on your chair
Do I look like a hip one?
No it's okay you look cute Yeah show Daddy Daddy make a octopus Daddy make a big octopus please
So what you find out there? Star and what else?
Starfish and I found a jellyfish
Any crabs?
Yeah I found a lot of little crab the big one
The ones that they eat, right? The ones that people, those Chinese ladies eat?
Yeah the little one มีอีปูพร้อมเนาะจ้ะเนาะแต่ว่าหนูไปเก็บพอทันมันไว้ It's quick this
The little black ones.
Yeah it's quick
You don't want to try?
I don't like to eat crab like that Wow that looks so coolเสียดายเนาะจะน้องไปได้เอาบิกินี่มาเพื่อฉันได้เล่นน้ำคิดว่ามันสิหนาว
Octopus.
อู้
With the shark. Give it a shot.
Put sock back in there mama Good height we don't have to buy her anything she got free for her birthday
Her brain.
I like her shoes so much จองเพื่อมีแอฟฟักกันโคกับบักหอย Hi mama Hi baby Love you baby สวัสดีค่ะยังน้องแล้วนะแล้วนะสวัสดีค่ะยังคะ
Make me something. Cook something.
Cooking Make a fire daddy ว่าจะต้มมาม่ากันเลยขี้ข้านเอาเคี่ยงมาเนาะจะเนาะพักกันกินแล้วเว้ยก็อยากเนาะจะเนาะถ้าเสียวมาม่ามาต้มพี่